Look at this picture. The elegance here comes out of some planned elevation, but the real strength lies in the strong foundation. Some very thoughtful aesthetics go behind this combination of beautiful colors painted, although it is these columns which make the building stand tall. The hammered nail here holds the picture for life, but never receives a mention. The picture is seen and appreciated, whereas the nail remains hidden and unsung. Beauty is ostensible. Strength is silent and clandestine. She is beautiful, gorgeous, awesome. But the secret behind this amazing figure is this astonishing architecture, a classic creation, the incomparable human skeletal system, the powerhouse of strength. What we see is the beauty revealed, and what is not seen is the strength concealed. The human skeletal system has always been a majestic mystery. It makes them so special, so distinct. It facilitates mobility. You move, run, and walk straight with your head upright. It defines you being young and youthful. All because these set of bones in the skeletal system, meticulously arranged, methodically placed, intelligently intertwined, carefully cushioned, flexible enough to make you flamboyant and adjustable to make you agile. Now, this is what is called the absolute, incomparable, unmatched, divine engineering. Beauty, they say, is skin deep, but it is actually bone deep. Because it is deep inside the bone where the problem begins. Once the woman is well past her prime, that is, she's almost 50, she reaches her menopause. The bones crumble as a pack of cards without even a warning or a symptom, completely halting the woman's movement. Such is the impact of this dreaded disease that there is a blast, but there is no sound, neither there is a pain nor a wound. This traumatic condition is what is called osteoporosis.
Osteoporosis is a disease of skeletal system, precisely the bones, very commonly found in women after menopause. Certain hormonal changes that take place in the woman's body, and those hormonal changes leads to very fast weakening of the bone to the extent that even with a sneeze or a cough, a major fracture can occur. This is osteoporosis.
A glimpse at the extent of the cases of osteoporosis shows 1 in every 3 women worldwide after 50 is affected. 8.9 million osteoporotic fractures, 1 in every 3 seconds. Hip fracture is estimated to increase by almost 310% by the year 2050. India reports about 10 million cases of osteoporosis per year. In India, osteoporosis has been found more common in rural areas. Due to lack of awareness, India tops the list of high incidence of osteoporosis. Dr. Sanjeev Chaudhary, the renowned orthopedic surgeon based at Orange City, Nagpur, India, along with his equally capable medico better half, Dr. Vaishali Chaudhary, have vowed to educate these rural women and empower them to fight against osteoporosis. The simple logic behind beginning the campaign in the rural areas is that the women there are usually deprived of certain facilities like newspapers and the internet.
The constraint of physically going to these villages was not possible because of busy hospital schedule. So we thought, why not to take advantage of this technology, and we have chosen online education, and so this HITCO was born.
HEATCO stands for Health Education and Teleconsultation on Osteoporosis. Let's now understand how HEATCO works.
We first need to select villages with internet connectivity.
Then we just catch hold of the local administration there, and with the help of the local administration we just gather all the women who are above 45 years of age. We just gather them somewhere at some adjustable place like a temple. Very commonly it is a temple in the village, and then my team goes there. They go with BMD machine. They conduct the free BMD estimation of every woman present over there. Then I get the signals in my hospital. I am working in my consulting chamber. The moment I get the signal, I start speaking on a laptop with a very high density camera attached to it. I deliver the lecture about osteoporosis in the local dialect. I tell them everything about osteoporosis, like the causes, the prevention, remedies, how dangerous it is, what does it cause and everything. And the women gathered over there, they listen to my lecture, isn't it? And after that, those women who have been detected to be extremely osteoporotic, they are isolated, they are taken to some different place, and then I give them consultation, I mean virtual consultation, 1-to-1, 15 minutes each through video conferencing.
During successfully running the osteoporosis awareness and treatment campaign in rural areas, problems like power failure and proper place came to the fore, sometimes if not always. Just like necessity is the mother of invention, the wonderful Dr. Kapil came up with this very novel idea of redesigning a van into a complete, comprehensive, all-pervasive mobile osteoporosis van.
When this HITCO van reaches that designated village, it stops at a particular location. Then just looking at the vehicle, whosoever knows about it, they are attracted and they come to the vehicle. But even then, automatically 2 speakers, they come out from the top of the van. Then a folk song is played. That folk song is specially composed on osteoporosis.
करू काळजी हाडांची जशी गाठली पन्नाशी शरीरातील उद्रेक स्त्रियांच्या करी झीज हाडांची करू काळजी हाडांची जशी वार्धक्याच्या प्रवेशद्वारी घाव देई दुष्ट बिमारी वृद्धपकाळी बिन इशारी तुटून पडती हाडे सारी काय अर्थ जगण्यात मानवा दुःख संग जिव्हारी करू काळजी हाडांची जशी गाठली पन्नाशी
The moment the villagers, they listen to that song, all of them, they just come running towards the vehicle. After a substantial number of women, they gathered in front of the vehicle, automatically a canopy comes out and they covered all those who are gathered there. Then one flap is opened from the exterior of the van and a big TV monitor is seen. Then I get the signal in my hospital. There is another unit which is installed in my consulting chamber. I speak in front of the camera and my entire lecture is seen there live on the TV monitor. So the women gathered there, they listened to me. After that, 3 women, they enter the van. One straight away goes for getting her BMD test done on a DEXA scan, and the other 2 women watches the exhibition. There are digital images. In a very simple language, osteoporosis is explained very beautifully. There are poems, there are couplets, there are slogans, there are demonstrations, there are bone of human being, they are kept. How a normal bone looks, how an osteoporotic bone looks, and how the bone gets fractured. What are the common fracture occurring and everything. Then there are digital images that based upon the BMD report, how much calcium you are supposed to consume.
काय खाऊ काय नाही किती झटू किती नाही संवादानी शिकावया आया बाया गावातल्या गाडी तुझी येऊ दे.
With all the full knowledge, still if the woman feels that something is left behind and I have to directly talk to the doctor, then there is a small chamber inside the van. She can enter inside the chamber and there is a video conferencing apparatus and she can directly talk to me, interact with me. I am sitting in my consulting chamber at Nagpur and I'll solve all her difficulties. Whatever question left in her mind, she can just get it cleared after talking to me. And thereafter, we give them 1 month of calcium and vitamin D as a complement. Along with that, we also give her literature of osteoporosis, which is composed into in Marathi, and with all that, she goes away. Rest of the when 3 women are there inside, rest of the women, they just rally around the vehicle, and there are several text messages, several slogans on osteoporosis, which they continuously keep reading by the time their turn of entering inside the vehicle comes.
It is worth mentioning here the name of Shri Avinash Pandey, former member of the upper house of the Parliament of India, who ably supported and constantly encouraged the doctor couple to successfully accomplish their selfless mission.
24 मणके कुंफुन माळी पाठ देई ताठ निराळी बंद होनी मासिक पाळी ठिसूळ पडती मणके सारी कसे जगावे अभिमानाने कसे जगावे अभिमानाने वाकल्या पाठीशी.
In a country like India, where the rural or the agricultural sector is undoubtedly the backbone of the economy, Dr. Sanjeev Chaudhary and Dr. Mrs. Vaishali Chaudhary are proving to be the power to strengthen every bone present in the skeletal system of these rural women.
We have been working since 25 years and we have found that in rural area the incidence of osteoporosis is quite larger because they are not aware and lack of education. So we thought first our prime and foremost concern is to create awareness and educate them.
It is the human skeletal system which gives the postural perfection, that is the posture, the promising power, that is the energy, the prospering pride, that is the high morale.
For that, you need to follow 3 simple rules. Take 2 tablets of calcium every day. Just take 1 glass of milk every day. Expose yourself to early morning sunlight for 15 minutes daily.
The noble journey thus goes on and on, relentlessly.
So, women across the world, the message is simple. If you support the skeleton, skeleton will support you.
Every destination reached only adds more determination to deliver the best always.
So, friends, let us come together and pledge. Spread this message to make India free from osteoporosis.
पन्नाशीच्या उंबरठ्यावर चला जपूया हाड निरंतर. पन्नाशीच्या उंबरठ्यावर चला जपूया हाड निरंतर. हाडांचा संघर्ष पाहुनी प्रखर करूया शपथ घेऊनी. हाडांचा संघर्ष पाहुनी प्रखर करूया शपथ घेऊनी. तिन्ही सांजेला आयुष्याच्या, तिन्ही सांजेला आयुष्याच्या झुंज ही स्त्री जन्माची. करू काळजी हाडांची जशी गाठली पन्नाशी. करू काळजी हाडांची जशी गाठली पन्नाशी. शरीरातील उद्रेक स्त्रियांच्या, शरीरातील उद्रेक स्त्रियांच्या करी झीज हाडांची. करू काळजी